The desire to make a mark, to make our mark, is as old and as fresh, as individual and as collective as humanity. Marks of passion and protest, professional dedication, pure imagination, marks of strength and weakness, tentative, bold, every force of nature, of human nature, splashed and scribbled, streaked, stroked and daubed. To make our marks is to grow, outwardly, inwardly, to better our art, ourselves, our society, to create and innovate, express or de-stress. We breathe it and sustain it, this shared desire, through the mark of quality, the mark of permanence, through the mark of belief in what we can make of this blank canvas of a future of ours, through the eyes of the artist.